What's up, guys? You looking for a good way to spice up your dinner recipes for the week? We got our own Asian inspired pork steak recipe. Gonna knock your socks off. What's up, guys? The first thing we got to do is get our onions, ginger, and garlic situated. The green onions, we're going to cut off the tops. We're going to mince the bottom white portions. And then we're going to mince our ginger up. And then we're also going to mince up our garlic. Alright guys, so once you're all said and done, you should have something like this. I put all the garlic, ginger, and the white portions of the green onions in one bowl because we're going to use them all. These other green onions we're going to use in the marinade and then in one of our sauces, so I like to keep those separate. Alright, so we're going to add about half a cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of ponzu, we're going to do 1 cup of soy sauce, we're going to do a tablespoon of sesame oil, and we're going to do a teaspoon of this Layu chili oil. Also, we're going to do about a 1/4 cup of canola oil. And then salt and pepper to taste. We're going to dump in all of our garlic, ginger, and the white portion of the onions. And we're going to dump in about half of our green onions. About 3/4. Go and mix everything up. Get that brown sugar to break down. Give it a taste. Right on the money. Did you guys want to taste it?
Yes, please. That's really good.
Well,
It's good.
didn't look like it tasted good to you. Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready? Alright, you guys know the routine. Shake and bake, baby. Alright, we'll keep mixing around. We'll let that sit for 2 hours. Alright guys, we're going to get this stuff on the grill. And hopefully soon we'll be eating. Alright, we poured the leftover marinade in a pot. We're going to boil it so we can serve it with the meat. Okay, we're all finished up. We like to serve it with a little bit of white rice, some kimchi, and our bean sprout recipe that we have up in our quick tip section. Feel free to check it out and hit that subscribe button. Thanks.